Cerebral palsy is a very debilitating disease that affects approximately 1.5 to 3 people per 1,000 births. It is characterized by a lack of balance, muscle stiffness, trouble speaking, eating difficulties, learning, and other intellectual disabilities. And these are all stemming from injury to a developing brain. The goal of our project was to provide a rehabilitation device that is fun and enjoyable for people with symptoms concerning their upper limb movements. We believe that intertwining a video game with physical rehabilitation will help with engagement and motivation of people with cerebral palsy and ultimately improve their upper movement capacities. Our project is essentially a remote control device built using an Arduino that allows us to communicate and interface with a game of Pong that is coded in MATLAB. In order to get this project to work, in terms of hardware, we need to use an Arduino Uno and an MPU 6050 accelerometer. These two components will be connected together to be able to interface with each other. On the software side, we use MATLAB to program the Pong game. For our program, we need to be able to collect the MPU 6050 acceleration data and run it through the program in order to control player movements in the Pong game, and that needs to be done through an Arduino connection. We will initially set up UI elements that build the whole framework of the game, and we'll set a 10-minute timer for the game to run. While this timer is running, we're going to collect accelerometer data from every time step from the MPU 6050. We're going to be conducting some signal processing to smooth out the acceleration data, and then we will be using that to move player blocks either left or either right. This code is done not to move the player block continuously, but rather every swipe of the movement from the hardware corresponds to a specific set of discrete movements in the game itself. Now that we have discussed the fundamentals, let's show you the prototype and how it works.